Earth exists in a remarkably narrow habitable zone around the Sun. Move it slightly closer or farther away, and life faces entirely different conditions. Now, imagine the impossible happens overnight. Earth suddenly replaces Mercury as the closest planet to the Sun. The next morning, the sky looks terrifyingly different. The Sun appears much larger, brighter, and impossible to ignore. Scientists quickly confirm the unimaginable. Earth is now orbiting just 58 million kilometers from the Sun instead of 150 million. At first, the planet itself looks unchanged. Cities still function, aircraft still fly, and daily life continues for a few precious hours. Then the energy arrives. Earth begins receiving nearly 7 times more solar radiation than it normally does. Temperatures start rising across every continent. Heat records are broken so quickly that old climate models become useless. Power grids struggle to keep up with demand. Air conditioning becomes a survival tool rather than a convenience. The polar regions are among the first places to transform. Ice sheets begin melting at rates never seen in human history. As meltwater enters the oceans, sea levels begin climbing. Coastal communities realize they are facing a crisis with no historical precedent. Meanwhile, the oceans absorb enormous amounts of heat. Their vast thermal mass slows the disaster, but cannot stop it. Weather systems become increasingly violent and unpredictable. Heat waves, storms, and droughts strike regions simultaneously. Agriculture enters a state of emergency. Crops fail as temperatures exceed the limits needed for normal growth. Food shortages spread across nations. Governments impose rationing while supply chains begin breaking apart. Millions of people abandon the hottest regions. Mass migrations place enormous pressure on the remaining habitable areas. Scientists search desperately for solutions. Underground shelters and climate-controlled facilities become priorities worldwide. Yet an even greater danger is quietly building. Earth's atmosphere is beginning to change in ways that are difficult to reverse. As temperatures rise, more water evaporates from the oceans. The atmosphere fills with increasing amounts of water vapor. That creates a powerful feedback loop. Water vapor traps heat, causing even more warming and even more evaporation. The process accelerates year after year. What began as a climate crisis evolves into a planetary transformation. Eventually, thick clouds cover much of the sky. But instead of cooling Earth, they help trap additional heat below. The oceans begin shrinking as evaporation overwhelms natural cycles. Entire coastlines and ecosystems disappear under extreme conditions. Surface temperatures climb beyond human survivability in many regions. Large portions of the planet become deadly without advanced protection. Humanity retreats into sealed habitats powered by massive energy systems. Survival depends on technology rather than nature. Earth itself survives the ordeal. The continents remain, but the blue planet is rapidly becoming something else. In the end, replacing Mercury would not simply make Earth hotter. It could push our world toward a Venus-like future and reveal how fragile our place in the solar system truly is.